everyone, welcome back to another video. In today's video we're going to do some breadfruit porridge. This one is super flavorful, super delicious. Guess what, guys, it's the first time I'm making it, and this one was requested by my mother. Yes, she's the one who always experimenting with stuff, and she wanted me to make some breadfruit porridge this morning. And of course, you know, you're going to need some spice. All the spices that you're going to need is starting from the right here. We have nutmeg, we have cardamom, we have cinnamon, we have mixed spice, vanilla essence, and almond essence. Now guys, the milk that I'm going to be using is a So Good soy milk. Let me show you guys. Good, see, So Good soy milk regular. I love the flavor of this one. It's very rich. And you know, you sweeten with sugar. If you don't want any sugar, guys, you can sweeten with stevia, agave, what else, coconut sugar, anything that is suitable for you guys. You can go right ahead and do that. Now guys, if you want to continue watching this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, comment if you like the video, and subscribe to our channel. Let's get straight into this one. In my pot here I have 2 cups of water. To this I am going to add some salt. So to my pot here as well, I'm going to add in some cinnamon sticks, and this is just to cook with the breadfruit. Alright, now guys, let me quickly point out to you, you will need a boiling breadfruit for this one, and you can see how small it is. That is because I don't want a lot of the porridge. One small one will go a far way, guys. Look how beautiful that is, man. So you're going to remove the heart of the breadfruit, which is that inner core there, and we're going to peel our breadfruit. And as you can see, guys, I'm putting the breadfruit in some water. And please remember, guys, to wash the outside of your breadfruit. I did that earlier before I actually started the video, right? Now guys, I'm going to give these a quick little rinse off. Adding my breadfruit here to the boiling water, and you guys, you can see they will tend to float to the top. When they're cooked, guys, you will know because they will sink to the bottom of the pot. All right, I want you guys to cook these until they're tender. Let's check, guys, on the breadfruit, and as you can see, guys, they're fork tender. Very good sign there, right? Right through so easily. Alright guys, what we're going to do is to remove the breadfruit from the water. And to this, guys, we're going to add in some milk. Another cinnamon stick, and our cardamom. Here what we're going to do is to use a hand blender and to puree these breadfruit. You can also use a regular blender. Alright guys, take note how smooth our breadfruit has pureed out to be. What I'm going to do now guys is to add in more milk. Adding in our breadfruit mixture. And you want to do this gradually guys. So guys, the whisk, what it does is to help the porridge from not be lumpy. I think it's better to work with than a spoon, than using a spoon. So you just continue to whisk on medium to low heat guys. What I'm going to do now is to add in my mixed spice. Now I'm going to add in my vanilla essence. Around 2 tablespoons there guys. Alright guys, I'm going to add in my nutmeg. A generous amount guys. To this now I'm going to add in my almond essence, and just a little bit of your almond essence guys. A little goes a far way where almond essence is concerned. To add body to our porridge, we're going to add in some cornmeal. We're going to dissolve the cornmeal first. I have here 2 tablespoons of cornmeal. Continue stirring guys to prevent lumps. And you see all our spices evenly distribute throughout our porridge. And as well the cardamom, you know I love to use the cardamom. It has such an amazing flavor in milk. Anything with milk, it complements it. Porridge, punch, lovely flavor guys. And it doesn't taste too much like breadfruit. You know when you're eating something and it's competing, the ingredient is competing with everything, not the breadfruit here. Everything has a lovely even flavor. The word that I was looking for is overpower. So guys, you know what, I'm going to add in my sweetener now, and you sweeten to taste. Alright guys, look at that nice and rich porridge we have here this morning guys. I am pleased with the taste and the texture. Can't get any better than this in the morning guys. Look at that. Not lumpy at all. Lovely texture, lovely taste. I hope you give this recipe a try guys. Thank you so much for watching this video. Until next time, bye.